In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to boost your mobile phone signal or how to improve your mobile phone signal so that you could make better and clearer calls. So this is going to work for any Android device all over the world, and I'm going to show you two methods to boost your mobile phone network. So the first method is to use a code to boost your mobile phone network speed. So all you have to do is get hold of your Android device, and once you do that, open the dialer or open the application through which you make calls. Here you dial in hash 3370 hash, press the call button, select the SIM that you want to improve the network for, and within few seconds your signal is going to improve out here. Now if this code works for you and improves your network, fantastic, but if it doesn't, utilize the second method. In the second method, all you have to do is just get to settings directly for your phone and just do a search for Wi-Fi calling. Once you do a search for Wi-Fi calling, select the first suggestion and you go ahead and scroll down to this option for Wi-Fi calling. Select that and ensure that you turn on Wi-Fi calling for the SIM card or the network that you want to have a better signal for. Now this is not a direct interaction with your network signal to improve it, okay? But this is going to improve your signal to make or receive calls. So sometimes you may be in a location wherein your network is poor and your incoming and outgoing calls are not good. It breaks or it is interrupted and stuff like that. If you have a Wi-Fi at home, or if you're traveling out in a bus, or if you're in the metro, or if you're in the mall, you could connect to the Wi-Fi network out there and switch this on so that your calling experience improves. So I hope these tips help you to improve your network signal or your calling experience. If you got some value, give my video a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.